Very good evening, all of you. This is Nand Kishore again. Welcome to Networking by Nand Kishore. Actually, in a previous video, we have done some Python videos, but some students have some query related to the variable and data types. So I have just decided to create a separate video of variable and data types, and we will discuss each and everything in details regarding variable and data types. So today we are not on the topic related to our means exercise in Python. We are only discussing some variables and data type. If any student which have some doubts regarding like variable and data types, so you can easily understand by using this video. So first thing is this: what do you mean by variables and what do you mean by data types? What is variable? First question is, what is variable? So my first question is, what is variable? So variable is like a memory location. Variable is like a memory location where you store the value. Like x is equal to 100, y is equal to 300. What is 100? 100 is the value. Okay, 100 is the data type, and what I am going to actually do, I am just storing this 100 value into x. Okay, what is x? X is a variable. What is x here? X is a variable. Okay, so in this case I am going to put this value 100 into x, and what is x? This x is a variable. Same thing, I am going to put this 300 value into y. So what is y? Y is a variable. So simply, variable is like a memory where you can store some values. Okay, is there any issue regarding variable? Okay, thank you. Chalo. So what is variable? Variable is like a memory where you can store some value. In this case, x is a variable where I am going to store 100, and y is a variable where I am going to store 300s. So what is 100 and 300s we will discuss in the next slide. Okay, then the next thing is data types. What is data types? Data types. What is data type? Data type is the types of data. Data type represent the types of data. Okay, what is data types? Data type is used to represent the types of data. So what is data type? Data type is used to represent the types of data. There are mainly 7 types of data types. First one is numbers, second one is a string, third one is list, fourth one is dictionary, fifth one is tuple, and set, range. This is a mainly 7 types of data types. If you are going to study in any programming language, the data type variables will be same for all. I am here only discuss regarding the Python because I only know something regarding Python. I don't have the knowledge about other programming language because I am not here the programmer. I am not be explain the programming things. I am only here to discuss the Python by which we can automate the things, we can automate the networks. So here I am only discussing regarding the Python, but if you are talking about the data types, if you are talking the variables, this is a common for all the programming language. So first data type is numbers. What is numbers? Numbers is used to represent the mainly numerical value. So further number is divided into four parts: integer, float, complex and boolean. So what is integer? Integer means there is no any float value, there is no any decimal value present in the number, is known as integer. Like x is equal to 10, y is equal to 20 is an integer value. If I am going to show the example of integer, you can see here. We can check here. This x is equal to 100 and y is equal to 20 is a number. So what is x, what is 10, what is y, what is 20? I am going to separate. X is a variable where I store a data type, and the types of data type is what? It's number, and in number types of सब data type is integer. ओके चलो इसको हम डिस्कस फिर से करते हैं. व्हाट इज x? क्या है यहाँ पे? x इज अ वेरिएबल. व्हाट इज वेरिएबल? वेयर आई कैन स्टोर सम वैल्यूज. व्हाट वैल्यूज आई एम गोइंग टू स्टोर? 10. व्हाट इज 10? 10 is a data type. Which type of that data 10 is? Which type of data 10 is? Is a number. In number it is a integer. So this is the basic hierarchy. So where in this case same, in this case y is a variable and 20 is a integer data type. 20 is the integer data type. Same, x is equal to 10. X is a variable and 10 is a number data type, number integer data type. Okay, now the second data type, second number data type is float. Float have some decimal values like 2.356, 10.99. This is the float value. Okay, so if there is nothing after the after, like suppose that I am going to write 2 and there is no any decimal value, this is what? This is integer. If I am using some integer value 00 or 2.01, so what is this? This is a float. So if any value which are represent through the decimal number, so this is a float. Okay, the third case is complex number. Complex number is simply where some if you are studies in mathematics in 11th and 12th, so you have a separate chapter in mathematics is complex number. What is complex number? A number where is the combination of real number and imaginary number. So what is real number and what is imaginary number? Is in this case x is equal to 2 plus 25j. So what is 2? 2 is a real number and 25j is a imaginary number. A number where some imaginary number or real number present is known as complex number. Okay, so is the case x is equal to 2 plus 25j, where j is a imaginary value and j is a complex number. Now the third thing is boolean. Fourth thing is the boolean. What is boolean? So if you are talking about the boolean means only two value will present. Let me explain the boolean separately. Yes. What is boolean? Means if you are writing anything, if input will be anything, output will be only true, either true or false. If you are giving any inputs, output is either true or false. If output is true, that means 1. If output is false, that means 0. This is Boolean. Boolean means if you are writing any inputs, then output will be only 2. It's either true or false. So this is all about the number. So I'm going to again discuss about a summary explanation of numbers. First one is integer. Integer means there is nothing apart from the number, means no decimal value included. Like x is equal to 10 is the number, y is equal to 20 is the number. Okay. And float. Float means some decimal value included into number. Like x is equal to 2.5356, y is equal to 10.99. And third one is the complex. Complex means is the combination of real number plus imaginary number. J is the imaginary number, x plus 25j, where j is a imaginary number. What is Boolean? Boolean means if you are giving any kinds of input, then you will get only 2 output, either true or false. If the value is true, that means 1. If the value is false, that means 0. So this is totally about the number. So I am going to discuss this thing same on the Python's practical. This is my IDLD, where I am going to x is equal to a variable, and I am just giving a number 10. Okay, so I have just took a value x, and the value of x is equal to 10. So what types of value we have? What types of value? Type of value you have taken? Just write type. They will give it is a integer or other things. So this is the int class. This is the integer value. Okay. So it is the integer data types. Now the another thing is just take x is equal to 2.56, and what is the class of this x? Type of x, you can write types, 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 not types, it's type only. And what will the type is x, and this is a float value. And third one is x is equal to x is equal to 25, x is equal to 25j. What I have done? X minus 25j. I'm just taking the value separate. X is equal to 25j, and I just print what? typ type x. So this is my complex class. Okay. Now I'm just giving example 9 number, and I have just take the value comparison. 10 is, I'm just saying that 10 is greater than 9. Okay, so I'm just giving an example. So what will mean the output? Type, typ type, num is a Boolean value.